We are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally pronounced as Anise, with an emphasis on the second syllable, Anise. In American English, however, this is usually said as Anise, with an emphasis on the first syllable, Anise. Anise in American English versus Anise in British English. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. How do you pronounce it as well? Let me know, let us know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.